I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome.
I'm a bad guy. Duh. I'm a bad guy. So you're a tough guy, like it really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so buff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, and seduce your dad type. I'm a bad guy.
¿Te gusta?
पैसा देखा है कभी?
यार राजू, ये तेरे पास इतना पैसा किधर से आया रे?
कमाल की स्कीम हाथ लगी है।
नहीं तक मेरे को तेरा ये 25 दिन वाला स्कीम नहीं सुन
25 दिन वाला नहीं बाबू भैया, तुरंत तुरंत। ओ ये देखो, ये है गेम्स ऐप। इसमें खेल खेल के पैसे कमाते हैं।
गेम खेल के कोई पैसा जीता? राजू मार इसको, हरा
बाबू भैया ये देखो,
पैसा जीतने के बाद जो महिला जीत रहा है। यार राजू, ये खेल मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है बाबा।
अरे जीत गए बाबू भैया, जीत गए, जीत।
There I was years later, I was lying on my balcony as I was deeply wondering what was really happening. Looking at the sky, tears rolling down my shoulders as I'm asking myself how to make my life fuller. My eyes trying hard to pierce through your endlessness, unable to do overwhelming powerlessness. Starting to realize the depth of your greatness as I'm surrendering to your boundless powerfulness. Deva Di Deva, Hara Mahadeva, Bam Bam Bholenath, Jai Vishwanath, Digambara Rupa, Agara Swarupa.
आज ये ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए सिर्फ gamesApp.com से।